This video will walk you through how to renew your nursery license with the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture. It could be a nursery dealer license, a nursery grower license, or a Christmas tree grower license. All three license types are renewed similarly. You should have received an expiration notice from us in early December with information to renew your license online at my.cap.wi.gov. Each license type does need to be renewed separately. However, you can make one payment from the My Invoices tab of your My.cap account. If you don't plan to renew one or more license types, please contact us and let us know so we can update your records. To speed the application process, use the PIN on the expiration notice. This will allow you to access your 2018 licensing information, review it, and make a payment online. If you already have a My.cap account, your expiration notice will look slightly different, and you will be able to simply log into your account and begin the renewal process. Your current license expires on February 20th and must be renewed prior to the expiration date. You can access the My.cap online service portal from our website or go to it directly at my.cap.wi.gov. Once there, click on the blue registration link. On the next screen, you'll be asked to register for a My.cap account. Enter your primary email address and create a secure yet memorable password. Passwords must be at least 6 characters and contain one alpha and numeric character and include both capital and lowercase. Once you've created your password, enter your PIN as shown on your expiration notice. Lastly, verify you're not a robot. To complete the registration process, enter 3 security questions and your answers. The system will accept whatever you put in there, so for this example, I'm just going to enter numbers, but you should come up with something more secure. Now that your My.cap account is registered, you can begin the renewal process. On the My Services tab, you should see all of your active licenses you have with the department that are in this online licensing system. Click on Reapply Now to renew your license. This first section contains your legal applicant information. Verify that all your information is still correct and make any changes as needed. Contact us by email or phone if you are changing your legal applicant. Since licenses cannot be transferred, we'll need to close this license and then you can apply for a new license. If everything looks good, click Next. In Section 2, you will see all addresses and contacts tied to your My.cap account. Addresses listed here should only include mailing and/or headquarters addresses. This section can include a secondary winter mailing address if you have one. Information regarding nursery stock locations should be provided in Section 6, titled Locations. Under My Contacts, you should see all contacts tied to your My.cap account. In this system, nursery sources or suppliers are also considered contacts, and any updates to your source list should be made here. In Section 3, you will choose which contacts or sources to tie to this specific license you are currently renewing. In this example, I'm adding a new nursery source. In Section 3, I will attach my new nursery source to this license. For license contacts, be sure to select one primary individual to whom the licensing materials and future correspondence should be sent. Review the nursery sources and contacts attached to this license. Section 4 records your sales and business information. Your responses from last year are checked by default. Review and update as necessary. Section 5. Fee calculation. Nursery dealer license fees are based on your total purchases of woody and herbaceous perennial nursery stock. If you have multiple sales locations, your fee is based on the total cumulative purchases for all locations combined. Section 5 will look slightly different if you're renewing a nursery grower license or a Christmas tree grower license. Grower license fees are based on total sales of nursery stock or Christmas trees that you have produced. If you ship stock or Christmas trees out of state, Section 5 is also where you can request a plant health certificate. Section 6 identifies all locations where you are holding, selling, and/or growing nursery stock. Take the time to click Edit for each listed location and verify it's correct. Provide any relevant information for a specific location in the Location Info box. Also, be sure to indicate the current nursery use for each location when reviewing the location details. In this example, I'm adding a new sales location. In this final section, please review your information carefully. Any errors can be corrected by going to previous screens. Be aware this is the only opportunity you have to print a summary of your license renewal application. Once you sign electronically, no further changes can be made without contacting our office. After you've submitted your renewal application, you'll be sent back to your MyDatCap account where you can access your invoices. If you're applying for multiple licenses, you can make a single payment from the My Invoice tab once all your renewal applications have been submitted. If you choose to pay by check, click on the invoice number, print your invoice, and mail it with your payment to our new lockbox address located on your printed invoice.